It's like soft and subtle. Subtle is not the word I should be using in this video at all. When your man says he wants to see new people, you get yourself a wig and be like, what's up? It's new to you. Anyways, okay, I'm back. Call me conceited, I don't give a I'm feeling myself hard right now, and it's like, this isn't even me. Like, can you believe that I invented pink hair? Like, who is she? Today is not my birthday. However, I'm gonna be getting like all birthday glammed up today. It's the 20th currently. Is it? No, oh my, wow, where am I? It's the 22nd. Get it together. My birthday is in 4 days, the 26th. That is so crazy and weird. I'm gonna be 21 and it just feels like, I don't know, girl, I'm so excited. For today's video, as you can tell, I'm going to be starting with my eyes. I went ahead and already did my eyebrows. I barely touched them. I literally concealed them first before even filling them in, just because I obviously know that this hair and my complexion is a little bit tricky to work with. So I don't want to overdo the brows. I know they're uneven and they look like shit. We're gonna come back to them. Don't worry, it's gonna be okay. I apologize in advance. I am gonna be using a ton of different eyeshadows and palettes. I'm sorry, it's my birthday. I get to do what I want. I am gonna go ahead and start with this Kylie brush that is broken and it has shit on it. And we're just gonna go with it. We're just gonna fucking use it. Half the time I only use like 1.5 brushes. A throwback here, Venus. Oh my gosh, this is like my senior year. I'm gonna go in with Rebirth as my transition color. This one right here. It is this gorgeous, like very rich and vibrant pink meets like coral almost. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that in my transition right away. One thing I love about doing your eye makeup first is that you can be as messy as you want because you're gonna clean it up anyways. So this is such a throwback also. Ah, they can reach it. Oh my god. It's broken. There's no top to it anymore. I've had this for years. Like this was one of the first palettes that wasn't Urban Decay Naked palette that I got when I started like getting into makeup. It still smells like chocolate. The Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette. Gossip. I'm gonna probably mix in this one right here with the Too Faced Totally Fetch Hot Pink. So I'm gonna probably start off with this one first. Should I switch brushes? Should I actually like, you know, try and... Okay. I kind of have a heavy hand, not gonna lie. And so I hate when I start making a harsh, like, just like line by my brow bone. So I always go back in and diffuse it with like a little bit of a brow bone highlight. But in between, what I like to do is take just like a clean brush. This is literally just like a nothing brush. I think it came in like a set. And I just like, I lightly buff out like the edges just to make them a little bit softer. And I do this in between switching shadows just so that then, you know, it doesn't build up and then become harder to blend after. That makes sense. And now I'm dipping into Totally Fetch. Classic modern Renaissance palette. We're gonna go in with Love Letter. Start just like slowly buffing that in from the inner corner up into the crease. This probably came in the Urban Decay 4, or not 4, but like the Naked Smoky palette. It's more of like a tapered blending brush. I'm gonna grab Love Letter on that. I just wanna make sure that it's all packed in there and in the crease. I'm gonna go in with that brush from the beginning. This time I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Shell from the Lime Crime palette. I'm gonna put that a little bit on like the inner corner or like the inner V right here, just because it's gonna soften that transition a little bit. Take some of Rebirth on that same brush, and then I'm gonna turn it sideways and kind of act like as if I'm doing eyeliner. Only because I want to keep this close to my like lash line, but I still want it to kind of be winged out, you know? You're gonna get your concealer and you're gonna start cutting the crease, girl. So going in with Wild Child on my finger, I just always put pressed shadows or anything of my lid color always on my finger. And then I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of Love Letter on that Kylie brush. So I'm gonna do eyeliner and I'm gonna put glitter on top of it. I'm gonna use the NYX Glitter Brilliance, and this is in the number 2. Basically draw like a little guideline. I got this glitter glue on a whim. I needed it so bad, and I don't know why I didn't go to Ulta. Why didn't you do that? It's Bitsy glitter glue. I have no idea. I found this at Sally's. Brush. I'm gonna grab a flathead angle brush just like this. I'm gonna take the glitter glue on the back of my hand. It's very jelly-like. It's like wet. It's very wet, I guess is the way I would describe it. And to me, that's not like what glitter glue usually feels like. So that's why I am skeptical. But you gotta work with what you got. The angled brush, I'm gonna go ahead and like tap that on top of the eyeliner. With a little bit of like glitter glue residue on there, I'm gonna go in on the NYX and then just tap that on top of it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye off camera, clean up my under eyes, and do the rest of my face. My face is gonna be really basic today, so I've done the same face makeup routine in other videos if you wanna watch that. But I will be right back. My camera's about to die, so 1 second, okay? We be back. I just swiped a little bit of Love Letter on my lower lash line, applied mascara, and then I put Dreamer from the Nervina palette in my inner corner and brow bone. That is all I did off camera, aside from obviously my face. The lashes that I'm wearing are the Lily Lashes for Sephora collection. I had never seen these before. I work part-time at Sephora and somebody returned these. I think they got them online or something, because, whoa, Bear. Quiet on the set. Yeah, these are the ones on my eyes that I'm wearing. They're in the style Rome. Like, I love it. So pretty much this is the finished look. This just gets me even more excited for my actual birthday. You guys are probably gonna see this on my actual birthday, so it is my birthday, so like happy birthday to me, and like, you know, I'm getting these wigs in every single color. I love these things. Okay, I'm done. Seriously, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to comment, subscribe, share, whatever. I always feel so annoying saying that, but you know what? It's my birthday, and that's like the least you could do, okay? After I blessed you with this amazing look, like shit, that is so annoying. Yeah, I would have blocked me already by now. Okay. I need to get the fuck out of here, like, girl.